Good morning, one and all. So today it's a proud privilege for me that I have been given such a great platform to express my business idea, that is Mobile Bus Coaching Center, Study on Wheels. So my business plan is basically for the students. It is basically a solution to the students who are from rural areas. Like they have to face problems, lack of resources and lack of qualified teachers in villages. They don't have qualified teachers in rural areas like for special subjects, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and they have to travel to town for these tuition classes. So what we will basically provide them tuition classes at their destination and we will reach them. They have to come to town for their tuitions and this is time consuming also. And they have to pay double travel cost, as first of all they have to travel to school and after that for tuition classes to towns. So what we will do, we will establish our venture to the rural areas and villages. And we will provide expert teacher and we will modify our buses in the proper manner with a classroom in it. And like let me give you example. As there is a village Bilaspur, you must know about it. And we will organize our bus there and we will take our venture to that area. And we will also take our venture to the villages which are mutual with other small villages, so that every student can avail these opportunities and they don't have to go to towns. And this will also reduce their time and they will avail their time for self-studies also. This is an example, it will be clear with that. Like there is a village Budia. There are many small villages connected to this village, and so students from these villages can easily attend these classes to these in this venture. Like we will establish our venture in Budia village. And this is also with Bilaspur, and there are many small villages here. And physics, chemistry, maths is a subject which is a need of every person because everyone is interested in JEE mains and all. So these are main subjects. Now let's understand about our team and resources. First of all, we must need drivers, buses, and investor, obviously expert teacher who will be teaching there, and head manager who will look after all this program. So the whole investment we need will be maximum 3 lakhs for a used bus. This is a one-time investment, and for infrastructure, for making up these buses, we need around 50k. And after that, for team salaries, we will need 40k, because in our team there will be only 2 persons, 1 driver and 1 expert teacher who will be taking batches. And after that, for advertisement, petrol, so as I have calculated, one-time investment of 5 lakhs is needed in my business. This is the whole strategy from buying to launching. Like first of all, we will buy our buses, and then we will buy equipments needed for the classroom, like bookshelves and seats proper. Because in a bus there is a sitting of 40 to 50 students, and we can easily take our boards in a bus, and we can easily travel from one area to another. After that, we will hire teachers, we will plan, we will promote and execute our business. This is a strategy of promotion and advertisement, because advertisement is a very vital element in every business. So we will promote our business through online advertisement and pamphlet, local TV and banners. We will also arrange seminars and demo classes for the students. And as I believe that in the future this will become a brand, and because this is a different idea. We all study in classrooms and we have to hire a room and we have to rent a room there. But in my business, the classroom can go anywhere, from one village to another village. So we can avail more services. So here comes the part of revenue. Because why we do business? Only for revenue. And so if I talk about revenue, our only revenue source will be tuition fees and note fees. And if I give you example, for one subject, if we are for one subject physics, we are taking 1,000 rupees. And in this manner, one student is studying 3 subjects, physics, chemistry, mathematics. So this will be 3,000. And For whole, like if there are 40 to 50 students, so this whole will be rupees 1.4 lakh as approx I have estimated. So we can say that this is a modern investment business with high income, and this is need of all. So these are some profitable points from validating our business to establishing, from identifying the results to getting the registration. We will give our best. And as I have already told you, that we will try to make toppers out of students on the wheels, and we will it will be not less than a luxury in future. So this is all about my plan. Thank you so much. Any queries?
Your idea is very good and new, but we need expert teachers. Expert teachers अपने सेंटर चला रहे हैं, आपको मालूम नहीं?
No sir, there are many MSc students and they are very good. I must say that I was a student when I was learning physics chemistry. My MSc mates are there and they teach like better than these teachers, as I believe. And one MSc teacher, one MSc student is very expert in physics, chemistry and mathematics. Like they can easily teach plus 1 plus 2 level subjects. Yeah sir, it is accordingly. Like, but as I believe that one MSc teacher can easily teach through both. Yeah sir, but we can also, some teachers are there who can easily teach physics and chemistry. Yes sir.
बस की आपने कॉस्ट 3 लाख
Yes sir.
मेरे ख्याल
आती है सर, यूज बसेस आती हैं.
यूज बसेस भी नहीं आएंगी. गवर्नमेंट की कंडीशन हो चुकी है कि 10 साल बस में रैप में जाएगी. उसने मॉडिफाई भी करना है, रजिस्टर भी करना है. ऐसी बस
प्रोजेक्टर सर, बोर्ड्स, सिंपल बोर्ड्स.
शहर में जाने के लायक नहीं.
नो सर. ओके सर.
अल्टो बड़े भी यूज हो गए ना. सेंटर में कैसे जाएगा इसी बच्चों ने बैठना भी उसमें एक गर्म बस में बच्चा कैसे बैठेगा.
Sir, there are fans and all. We will make up that bus like a classroom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will. I already said that we. No, sir. I don't think so. As I am also planning to implement this after my studies. Yes, thank you. Team 3. Team 4. Team 4.